tá ok. Muito obrigado então aí, tá.
The ocean hides great wealth for our country. However, its exploration demands responsibility as well as human and technical expertise. And CBO, the Brazilian company of offshore, knows that very well. Since it was created by the Fischer Group in 1978, CBO has provided naval support to oil platforms with quality, safety, and mainly respect for life and the environment. Today, CBO is recognized by its clients as one of the best companies dealing in terms of operational performance in the sector of support to oil platforms. With more than 700 employees, its own shipyard and a vast fleet of support vessels, with others being currently built, the company is growing with the responsibility and a single corporate spirit, providing state-of-the-art technology for the sectors of maritime support and naval construction in Brazil. Our goals are bold: to update always, so that the fleet is adapted to more and more complex operations with more speed, and invest in production infrastructure, so that our industrial park is able to meet the deadlines and the necessary quality standards to naval operations. The Brazilian company of offshore has its headquarters in Rio de Janeiro and a base in Macaé, and it is present and active in the main oil bases in Brazil: Campos Basin, Santos Basin, Espírito Santo Basin, Ceará and Potiguar Basins. It is CBO providing support to oil exploration and production platforms along the Brazilian coast. With 3 of its own ships and 4 belonging to Petrobras, CBO started to operate at the end of the 1970s. Thanks to effective management, the company very quickly developed 7 more vessels, also starting to build those of the PSV type. That way, Aliança Shipyard was born. Many vessels were built here and today have become part of CBO's fleet, made by vessels of the following types: AHTS 12,000, MPSV 3,500, PSV 3,000, RSV, ORSV, and PSV 1,500. All built in Brazil, by Brazilians, and with a high percentage of Brazilian content, a heritage to Brazil. Our capital is 100% national. Along our journey, the search for excellence has always been aligned with a respect for the environment and the surrounding communities. Today, on the locations where CBO operates, there are social and environmental projects which make the company very proud. The Pescar project prepares young people from the communities for work. Courses on several professional areas are offered. Apart from these specific classes of the curriculum, students also learn about citizenship and social-cultural knowledge. These young people get uniforms, food, and medical and dental care for free. Another featured project is Doctor Health. In this case, the doctor's office is mobile. A specially designed bus with medical and dental offices that, with the work of specialized teams, takes prevention programs and medical care to the cities where Fischer Group operates. In 7 years, more than 15,000 people have been treated by Dr. Health, and each year there is an increased expectation that more people get to know and make use of this remarkable initiative. CBO also adopts a strict policy of separation and disposal of the waste generated in their operational activities. The aim is recycling. Apart from this preoccupation, our vessels use paint that is harmless to the environment. With real examples, CBO shows that it is an environmentally correct company. This work is recognized by the ISO 14001 certificate, which attests that we have an environmental management system that is internationally recognized. In addition to its attention to the environment, another foundation of CBO and the whole of the Fischer Group is the value given to human beings. Our collaborators will always be our greatest asset, and our professionals' health has to be a priority. Workers on vessels go through a series of periodical exams and take part in lectures and actions that reinforce the notions of work safety and a healthy diet. Constant training is offered to prepare the crew for the use of equipment and safety procedures in case of emergencies on the sea. With the aim of assuring the well-being of our collaborators and their families, the company provides plane tickets to those who live more than 500 kilometers far from the boarding location, minimizing then the time of commute. The future is promising, answering the needs of our clients with safety and efficiency, respecting the environment, and with financial return to our stockholders is our promise, within CBO's policies of quality, safety, health, and environmental protection. Promoting integrated solutions in the sector of maritime support is our vision. The appreciation, the respect in relation to employees, the flexibility and the environmental responsibility are our beliefs. For more than 30 years in the market, CBO sails confidently in the direction of the future. We know that in order to sail distant seas and explore their wealth, we always need to work in search of our goals with safety, professionalism, responsibility, and unfailing team spirit. That is CBO, the Brazilian company of offshore.